Walgreens deals of the week. This week at Walgreens, I am so excited to let you know that we're gonna have the best laundry deal, and we're gonna pick up diapers, sodas, so many crazy things at such a great price. Also, don't forget that there are still a few days left for us to use that digital perk that we're getting, that you spend 40 and get back 10 in Walgreens cash. So let's get to this video. So this week, we're going to be able to pick up 4 of these packs of diapers. So the deal is, for every 2 diapers is $21. So buy 2 for $21, but we need to spend at least $35 or more to get back $10 in a registered reward. So in order for us to do that, we have to pick up 4 packs of the diapers. 4 packs equals $42, which is perfect for that perk. If we still get a chance to use it, don't miss out on it. Spend 40, get $10 back. So by buying 4 of the packs, you're gonna get $10 back in Walgreens cash, but you're also going to get back $10 in a registered reward. So basically, you're gonna get this back. Okay, so now you're gonna be due 42 is a total. Take away 10 for Walgreens cash, take away 10 for the registered reward. You're left to pay only $22. But check your application on Walgreens to see what digital coupons you have available, because it might be less than that. Now, if you have any other registered rewards that you can use to help you lower the cost, that'll be even better. But either way, it's still such a great deal. Now, the Pepsis are 3 for $13.99, which is also an amazing deal. You could use Walgreens cash to pay, or you could use registered rewards or a store coupon to lower the cost of that if you get it separate from the diapers and the other deals. So if you're not using a perk, you could use Walgreens cash, and that'll be great. You could also use registered rewards, as I mentioned, or you can use a store coupon, which could look like this one. A lot of people have been asking me which can you use. You can use something like this on the sodas, for example, or you can do the deal of the laundry detergent and use this one as well. Just make sure that if you're putting it into a bigger transaction where you're using a perk, either digital or on paper, you cannot use the store coupon on it. It's only 1 per transaction anyway. So the deal with the laundry detergent, the laundry Purex, is that you're gonna buy 1 and you're gonna get the other for free, the other 2 for free. So 1 is gonna be ringing up about $8.99. Some stores might have it higher, but it's usually $8.99 for 1, and then the other 2 are going to be free. So these things here, the Pepsi and the Purex, it's not giving you back registered rewards or Walgreens cash, so you can perfectly use Walgreens cash or registered rewards to pay. I hope you get yours, and if you have any couponing questions, put them in the comments.